Assalamu and welcome back to Kadi Recipes. In this video I'm going to show you how to make some spring rolls. We are going to use some vermicelli to make these and ground beef. I'm sure you will love this recipe, so let's start. I'm going to start by cooking my vermicelli. Traditionally, this is not the type we use in this recipe, but sometimes it's difficult to find the white one, so I use this one. So this is very quick. We are going to cook this for just 2 minutes and then I will stop the cooking process. So once my vermicelli are tender, I'm going to remove from the water and then we are going to use them. I'm going to mix everything together. In order to make my filling, I'm going to mix everything together. I'm going to add half of an onion. I already grated the onions. I'm going to add 1 carrot that I have already grated. I'm going to add 2 garlic cloves. I already grated. I'm going to add some green onions. I'm going to add my meat. This is grounded beef. I'm going to add soy sauce. I'm going to add some fish sauce. I will add some black pepper. I'm going to mix this well together and then we will be back. Now everything is well mixed together. We are going to continue. So I'm going to add a little bit of flour with some water and then mix this well. I'm going to sprinkle with a little bit of water on a clean cloth. So once you put the rice paper in some water and then you will remove and add your filling inside. Going to close like this. So I'm going to fry my spring roll. I will fry this twice. The first time in a medium oil and the second time in a hot oil. I'm going to remove it for the first time. I'm done with the first time. I'm going to put it in my refrigerator for 10 to 15 minutes. Then I will fry it the second time. So after 15 minutes in my refrigerator, now I'm going to fry it for the second time. Now it's ready. I'm going to remove everything and set aside. And I will serve this. So they are ready. You can see they are so crispy. You can hear the sound and really hot with some hot sauce. So let's enjoy this. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video, guys. Have a nice day. Bye.